Hello everyone. In a previous video I showed you the spider plant stand that I put together, and it's a really sturdy plant stand. I'm really enjoying it, but it does need lighting, and so today I'll show you the 3 Spider Farmer SF600 grow lights I got and how it fits on this plant stand. Here they are, ready to be opened. The plant stand has 3 growing shelves, so I got 3 grow lights. As I lift the box, I'm surprised at how light these are. I can lift the box with the light inside with only one hand, and I'm not that strong. Okay, let's go ahead and open this box up. And it does look like it's nicely packed. And right on top is a user's manual. That's always nice. Then there's a power cord, of course, some hanging wires that attach to the light. I'll show you those in a bit. They have a unique way of attaching. And then another piece for the power with a US plug since I'm in the States. And then here is the light. And wow, this light is really light. And it's sleek and slim. Here you can see all the LEDs, and I'll do another video reviewing the light and its specs, but first I want to get this light unboxed and installed. And here you can see where the power gets plugged in. And here is where the wire hangers get plugged in, as you'll soon see. The other end of the light doesn't have a power port, so make sure when you install this that you have it facing the way you want. And this is when I realized that these lights do not daisy chain. There's no port to connect one to the other. Unless I'm missing something, it seems they work independently. Okay, that's one. I have 2 more, and each box is identical, so you don't need to see me opening the other 2. Here is the plant stand, and aside from having all these hanging holes around each shelf, there's also a tab at each end of the shelf with a small hole to thread the wire hanger through. Right now, the plant stand has my houseplants on it, but I'm going to be using this stand for my microgreens, and all these plants need some light, so let's get these lights up. Okay, so here are the wire hangers I was talking about. And it's an interesting design. The wing nuts allow you to adjust the length of the wire so you can raise or lower the light. And this screw here is to attach the wire onto the light. After you untie this bundle, you'll find you have 2 strands of wires. They are separate, one for each end of the light. And then you will thread one end into or around the shelf and then loop it back into the wing nut like this, and then tighten the wing nut, and so that's how that will hang. And then this end gets screwed onto the light over here. Here you can see how this light is made to fit the plant stand just right. Now the question is, can I do this by myself, or will I need hubby? Well, first I can plug in the power myself, so let me do that. And that went smoothly, no problems connecting the power. Next, I'm going to screw this part of the wire hanger onto the light. There, that's one end. And now I need to screw the other wire hanger onto the other end. And now I'm going to start with the top shelf and hang this light. Okay, so remember there's a tab here with a small hole at both ends of the plant stand. Well, I'm going to thread the wire through the hole and then back through the wing nut, and then pull the wire until I get the light to the height I want, and then tighten the wing nut. I'll need to do that on both sides of the light, obviously. Here I am working on the right side of the light, the side connected to the power cord. Here you can see close up how I linked the wire through the wing nut. And then I worked on the other side, the left side, And when I was done, I saw that the light was lopsided, so I went back to the right side and adjusted it until the light was hanging level, or as close to level as possible, which would probably have been easier to do with another person, but still, I did it myself. Here I am admiring my work, and you can see the light is attached on both sides. Now it's time to get the second light installed on the second shelf. But before I do that, maybe I should plug this light in and see if it works. And yes, we have light. That looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and install the other two lights. And here you can see all three lights installed. I will have a follow-up video reviewing the specs for this light, but my overall opinion is that it's lightweight and uncomplicated, which makes it easy to install. On the other hand, it cannot be daisy chained, so each light has a cord and a power brick, and as you see here, I got a tangle of cords. Also, these lights are not so expensive as some others I've seen, so I think you get a lot of value for your money. Well, till the next video, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.